Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your book page number 11. In previous class we were completed question 1. Today we are going to do question number 2. Write down the functions of the following parts of respiratory system. Here are organs of respiratory system. You can write function of these organs used in respiratory system. First one is trachea. Now what is the function of trachea? Answer is right here. It provides airflow to and from the lungs. It provides airflow to and from the lungs. Number B, rib cage. What is the function of rib cage? It protects the heart and lungs. It protects the heart and lungs. Number C, part C, intercostal muscles. What is the function of intercostal muscles? Involved in breathing process. Involved in breathing process. Turn the page, page number 12. Part D, alveoli. What is the function of alveoli? Helps in exchange of gases. Helps in exchange of gases. Part E, diaphragm. What is the function of diaphragm? It separates the heart and lungs. It separates the heart and lungs from the rest of the organs. From the rest of the organs. Question number 3. Match symptoms to diseases of the respiratory system. Here are some diseases name and here are symptoms. You can match it. First one is cancer. Now what is the symptoms of cancer? So match it with cells start dividing rapidly until they get out of control. You can match with second one. Cells start dividing rapidly until they get out of control. Second is bronchitis. Now what is the symptoms of bronchitis? Inflammation of the air passages in the lungs reduces the ability of the lungs to absorb oxygen. Third one is emphysema. Now what is the symptoms of this disease? Walls of the alveoli become thin and weak and eventually break down, leaving large empty spaces in the lungs. Question number 4. Complete the table of information about the digestive system. Part of the digestive system. Here are some parts of digestive system. You can write here gland and juice produce. First one is mouth. Now which gland used in mouth? It's a salivary gland. And which juice produce? The juice of that the juice which produce in mouth is saliva. Second is stomach. Gastric gland. Gastric gland. The juice produced in stomach is gastric juice. Pancreas. Pancreatic gland. The juice produced in pancreas is pancreatic juice. Liver. Actually liver is a gland and also an organ. So the gland which is in liver is liver, and the juice produced in liver is bile. Bile secretes from liver. Small intestine, intestinal gland, and the juice used in small intestine is digestive juice. Digestive juice. It's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.